Good morning to a blisteringly hot 97, day 97. This is where we're going to get shed loads done today. As we said yesterday, the pool's been poured, and now today is going to be a series of events, blocking up, formwork, finishing off plastering. We've literally now got Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday to get absolutely everything done for what in effect is going to be the top ground floor slab, which is going to go right across where we are now, right above us, right over the actual areas, in order for us to hopefully Thursday, but potentially Friday morning, be pouring the whole slab. So today we're going to have to be jet washing the steel again, which I need to text the main man about to ensure that he does. Let's have a quick look up here and have a look. This is what we look like today after the actual pour and the go off. These guys have got some Hilti guns out for some reason, I'm not too sure why. I think it's because they've now worked out that they've gone a bit too high on some of the board work, which we've got to take down. It also means they've actually got to chisel off some of the actual block work as well, I think. So anyway, they'll get that sorted today. As you can see, the steel is looking pretty orange, so they're going to have to get out there and jet wash that again today. So I'm going to text them about that. All of this form work is going to now be coming up once they've actually blocked here and blocked all around here. They're also going to block around the front. They're going to block around the sides. They're going to build up this stepping here, the shelf, and then they're going to finish off boxing back up again. So as you can see, they started taking down some of the boxing itself that was around here. It looks like they're going to start chiselling off, which is a real bloody shame. But anyway, it's got to be done. It gets wasted. Go on, keep going then. So anyway, it's a big day, big day. One thing we didn't do is have a good look inside. Morning, Tice, how are you?
Good morning, Tom.
So as you can see, there's still loads more to go in there. So we need an excavator to dig this out and arm it over into there, and that's got to be level with the block wall over there. So still a lot more marl to be found, excavated and put over the fence. So that's one thing they definitely need to do today. Whether they've actually got the excavator man ordered or not is a different matter. But a lot of guys on site, and hopefully a regimented plan processed, ideally. Go and see the main man in the office, make sure that he's got his ducks in order, and hopefully on return we'll have a clear plan we're trying to stick to. This was the other thing they did yesterday, just put some of the extra marl into here, marl off the actual front doorway entrance. That's going to have to be compacted as well, obviously. So a lot done. Morning. So let's see what Colin has planned for the troops today. 5 to 11. Cement mix has just been taken away for repair. Another one flat out. Lots of trades guys everywhere doing stuff. Plenty down in the storage area, boxing up. Day 10. Bobcats, walls, and all sorts. So as I said, the swimming pool will now start coming out the ground, which it is now starting to happen. The block wall is going up all the way around. This has all got chiselled off, gone too high. So the block walls are being built up here. Block walls are now going down the actual pool area itself. That'll be all the way around, obviously. So boxing's now being lowered to where it needs to be. This will have to be lowered as well, probably. So quick look over here. Unfortunately, all the way around, one course has to come off all the way around here because we've gone too high. So as you can see, he's done the back part. He's got to do all the way around there as well, so that's going to be a painful task. So that's got to be done. What else? The boys are in there pulling the marl down. Orlando's sitting there waiting to be told what to do, but once they've actually scooped that away, he'll probably put more into there. We've now marked out on the floor over there where the steels have got to be placed for the entrance into the basement. That's going to be ended. Orlando, you alright? Good boy. And then we're doing boxing up all the way in through here. So doorway's now going in. It's all been concreted in. All this along here has been done as well. So fingers crossed it will fly through here. That's the main aim. Now I need to see Colin to deliver a little bit of bad news, and as much as we need to make some moves, containers, try and get the driveway done, and there's a few restrictions on that, so. But anyway, this is obviously still carrying on. This is down the side of the plot. Nails everywhere. Bayesians love dropping nails. I've worked that out. Blocks here. We'll dig out of here. Finish that off. And then they're also mixed that stuff for the mortar and everything around here as well, so that's going up here. So yeah, stuff is happening. Fingers crossed we can keep the momentum going, that's for sure. It's all go on here today. Levels are nearly down. Last block going on there. Anthony doing the front. Side blocking going on. Guys working on the back. $2.30. Little cowbells with me. Let's go. So we're on site to have a look at what they're up to. Get a bit of a progress update, and we cow.
Yeah.
See how things are going.
Smell the sea.
You can smell the sea.
It's yucky.
Okay, so you've got to keep your wits about you. So up here. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go round here.
Hey! You know, come from school. You know, come from school.
Let's have a look what the boys have been up to.
You know, come from school.
Right, so where are we then? Let's have a look. Where are we? Okay, so there's the first row up there.
See?
Got another row there.
And this is your trough here. See?
Nice big trough.
It's your trough.
Got the inner piece. Oh, it's not been done
Stay on
yet.
that block. We see if it's serious trough. Stay on that block. Can you balance?
I gotcha.
Stay on it. Let me see if you can balance. Yes, you can balance. This is your trough here.
Good one going up. More Mar going in. He's churning away still.
Huh? I get turned on now.
Still up to chisel away. Boys in there are working away as well. Boxing needs to be coming off here. That still needs to be done. Just gonna be up against it for Thursday, Friday. Let's go around to the front and have a look around here, shall we?
Yeah. Daddy, I'm trying to have a look up the needles and like all those little.
Lots of nails, isn't there?
Yeah.
These men drop nails all the time. They love dropping nails.
These nails love being messy.
Yeah.
Up.
All right. Down. That's right. So walk up here and have a quick look, shall we? Okay, so Mr. Bobcat is going for it. Let's see where he's taking all that down here. He is, yeah. So you stand there in the shade. That's it, you stand there for a minute. Quick look down here, what he's up to. See where he's going. Give him a wave. See what he's doing now, he's putting marl up into there, look. Marl inside our house. You up there? Yeah. Okay. He's strutting across here. Going through there. Good. Yeah. Not jet washed yet. Yeah, lots of nails. Nails everywhere, isn't there?
I'm trying to see
That's it, and they've got to dig all that out as well. Look, we've got to dig all this out here. And that's what we'll go up into here as well.
Wow, that's
All the
so
way
much
round.
mud.
I know, loads. That's where we are so far, isn't it, boss?
That's only the fun.
Let's go and have a look at the rest. Speak to Colin, find out what the plan is. 5 o'clock, end of the day. Let's check in, see what the guys have done. Boxing's coming along. Paul seems to be coming up, but quite slowly for some reason. Let's have a quick look. I thought they'd had a lot more done by end of play. Bear in mind they've all been on it. So they've managed to lay that. A bit there. Those 2 rows there. Those 5 in a bit rows there. The 2 at the front. A bit there and this. I thought they'd had that done today. I mean, that's all they've had to do. Strange one. Phil's team's obviously bordered along with the 4x2s. We've got a deeper steel, deeper slab across here because we've got to put the drainage in for the overhang and the swimming pool. So that's going to be 13 inches of concrete, whereas this one's going to be 6. Still got to get the steels taken out and changed on there. They've not been done. They did focus on, or some of them did focus on putting some of the marlin there, which is good. And there was someone else obviously focusing on trying to take the courses off of here, but that's as far as he's got. So still plenty of work to be done today. I'm not too sure what's reasonably misfired. They've had plenty of time to get hungry for today because we had a lot of work to be done. But for some reason, not as productive as I thought they would be. Anyway, I'll chat to them later about that. So let's have a look in here. So again, in here it's just the boarding along here. Drop down for the beam. And along here as well, they're going to have to board and pull that as well. So we'll see. Extension lead out. Lots of water in here. Anyway, no point dwelling over what's not been done. That's pretty much it for today. So let's have a catch up tomorrow and hopefully we can get everything else pushed and finished.